Amorians, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made this lush creamy vanilla cake using ingredients you already have in your kitchen. This is so soft, lush, milky, so nice, and the batter is so easy to come together. Let's dive in. The first step is to add your margarine or butter into a bowl, and then you're going to add some sugar and cream this until it is light and fluffy. This should take about 2 minutes or so, depending on the type of mixer you use. I'm using the buttercream mix, part of the food 12-in-1 food processor, and it gets the job done. So all you need to do is continue creaming this, and if you don't have a mixer, you can just use your hand whisk and keep stirring, but it can be tiring. So just get yourself a butcher mix 12-in-1 food processor and be glad you did. Now keep mixing, keep creaming until it is light and fluffy in color. Once it's this fluffy and light in color, all you need to do now is to crack in your eggs. Add about 4 large eggs or 5 medium-sized eggs and whisk that together. Now to that mix, you're going to add your all-purpose sifted flour. You're going to add baking powder and a pinch of salt, and give that a good mix until everything comes together. Now add your vanilla, add your milk, and give everything a good stir. Then your batter is ready to be baked. And this is the result: creamy lush batter ready to be baked. Look at how nice the batter looks, and I promise you this batter is gonna yield amazing fluffy, lush, soft, moist cakes. Add your cupcake liner to your cupcake pan, and then you're going to scoop that batter into the liners and bake in the oven. I baked this at 175 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, and my cupcakes is ready in no time. Look how nice and fluffy they look, and it tastes so amazing. Once it's done, remove from the oven, let it cool down completely and enjoy. You can also freeze this in the freezer, not fridge, in the freezer, and enjoy anytime you want. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and also follow for more. Bye. Shi ke irin dariyan nan da nai na